For factory reset of the device, there's two ways of doing this. So one of the ways is into the pinhole that can be seen on the bottom of the device here. Not this hole over here, which is where the room sensor is located, but the pinhole over here. We can take a thin pin and press into the button and hold it for a specific set of seconds. And then once that's completed, remove the pin again, and then the device will factory reset itself. The other way of doing a factory reset is removing the front panel, as has been done on the DEVIreg Basic seen here, and then pressing the arm or the lever arm here that is located on the bottom, exactly as you would put into the pin. But then you can use a screwdriver instead, or you can use a finger instead to hold down the button inside of the device for the specific set of seconds until the reset is complete.